how to create Temu account in just a few easy steps. First things first, download the Temu app from your app store or hop onto the Temu website. Once you've got the app open or are on the homepage, hit that sign up or create account button. You can sign up using either your email or your phone number, your choice. Next, fill in the details they ask for, like your name, email, or phone number, and don't forget to create a strong password to keep your account safe. Make sure to read and accept Temu's terms of service and privacy policy. This step is super important for setting up your account. If you signed up with your email, check your inbox for a verification link from Temu and click it. If you went with your phone, just enter the verification code they texted you. Once you're verified, you can finish up your profile by adding any extra info if it asks for it. And that's it. You're all set to dive in and start shopping on Temu. Thanks a bunch for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.